Hi, I'm Natasha. I'm part of the Realtor of Excellence team, and we're at our offices here in Cape Town. I just want to tell you a little bit about myself. My background is in marketing, and we focused a lot on key relationships, and I always ask myself, why did I get into the property market? And it's quite simple, really. I've only been in the property industry for about 7 months now, but I think it's so amazing that, you know, I get to invest in people's dreams every day, and I get to empower people's lives as well as my own. I get to deal with people face to face every day and get to understand what their needs are, and with that take that information and use it in the marketplace to ultimately find their dream home, which I find is so powerful. Through what I've learned and achieved in the last 7 months, and with the great support of Realtor of Excellence, I've managed to just sell a 1.815 property in Bottasif, which is now the record sale. One of my thoughts on the Realtor of Excellence brand. Well, to me that's simple. The brand gets it, and they keep it simple. They like to avoid chaos, and I think what's great about the brand is that they know what changes, and they like to embrace change. Invested greatly into this industry with new technology and product-based services, and I honestly think that they're going to revolutionize this industry. I think that people completely just get the brand, and it's completely transparent, and it really speaks for itself. If you look at technology and how technology is changing our lives, consumers have the opportunity to be tech savvy and have that time on the net where they can really choose and get to know what the services are and the products that are offered, and it gives us agents the opportunity to be quick and efficient. And you know, they say that technology was designed to decrease face time, and whereas Realtor of Excellence is using technology to increase that one-on-one time with the buyer or the seller with the agent. They get that relationships are between people, and most importantly, they make the agents their heroes. In this industry, there are no limits. The only limits are self-limitations. I'm proud to be a part of this dynamic brand, and really proud to call myself a Realtor of Excellence. If you want that unique experience in buying or selling your home, you've got to contact a Realtor of Excellence. You can find them at www.realtorofexcellence.co.za.